10 car hacks we would not want to miss. Number first, toothpaste. Toothpaste can help you remove the yellow plug from your car's light better than anything else. To do this, put some toothpaste on the light, rub it with sponge and wash with water. If the lights are too dirty, do it 3 to 4 times. Number second, shaving cream. In order to prevent your windows from getting foggy in winter, just wash them with shaving cream. Here you can see how it works. Number third, a paper clip. A regular paper clip can be used as a phone holder. It doesn't look very beautiful, but if you need to do a GPS urgently and do not have anything else to hold a phone with, this is the great solution. Number 4, cloth. Stickers on the windshield can be really hard to remove. Put a cloth soaked in hot water on the sticker from the opposite side of windshield. When it's cooled down, the glue will dissolve and the sticker will be away easier to remove. Number 5, nail polish. If you notice a crack on the windshield, you can easily paint over it with nail polish. It prevents the crack from getting bigger, so you will be able to get your destination safely. Number 6, a plunger. If there is a small dent on your car, you can use the plunger to remove it. It really works. Just place it on the dent and pull it. Your car will be good as new. Number 6, hand sanitizer. A hand sanitizer can be used to open a frozen log. Just put some on the log and wait several minutes. The solution will melt the ice and door will be easily opened. Tights. This does not sound real, but according to some users, comments, it really works. If you lose a belt while you are using on the road hundreds of miles away from the nearest mechanic, you can use tights to get the closest place where belts are sold. Number 8, cloth pins. If you put a drop of aroma oil on the cloth pins and put it on air vent, the car will carry your favorite smell. Number 9, lemon. If you do not get enough sleep but you really need to drive, bring a lemon with you. You will start feeling sleepy. Put a slice of lemon under your tongue. The acid will wake you up and you will be able to continue your trip. Number 10, hair balm. Especially anti-rain products usually cost a fortune. They can be easily replaced with the regular hair balm. Put it on the car and then wash it off. Drops of water will slide away really fast. Number 11, towing hooks. In case your car breaks down and needs to be towed, there is a small square shaped them on the back. Some models have it on the front. It stores a hook that manufacturers put on the car in case you need to transport it to mechanic.